Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is LaVaughn Michelle, your personal luxury stylist. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 very common items that I find in 90% of my clients' wardrobes that need to go. So if you're looking to elevate your wardrobe, we're going to want to start by removing these 5 things. Before I get started, you know what I'm gonna ask you to do? Hit that like and subscribe button. Go ahead. Awesome. All right. First item on my list that needs to go are those distressed, very short denim shorts. The ones that are frayed at the bottom, and the ones that you can almost like see like your underwear, they're so short. Distressed anything is kind of being phased out, but the denim distressed shorts for me are just the most unflattering. They're just so tacky looking. There's so many other options for very casual shorts. And if you're gonna wear a pair of denim shorts, it's okay as long as they're not so super short on you and maybe have like a gentle fray at the bottom, that's fine. But these crazy distressed jeans do nothing but de-elevate your look. So let's move on from those. Maybe give them to like your teenage daughter and let her have fun with them. The next item on my list is the crop top or the bralette top or the tube top. They're all the same. They're that short, awful top that shows the bottom part of your stomach, which I don't understand why they don't think women want the bottom part of a shirt. This is such a tired look. We've done it with the high-waisted jeans. We've done it with the blazer over it. It just feels very childish. And you look a little silly walking around with your stomach hanging out. So there is one style hack I will give you to make this little thing work, and that is to throw this over a button-down shirt, a collared button-down shirt. It actually gives it a really cool, funky look, and it can actually add a nice fit to like a really oversized button-down to make it a little bit more dressy and fun for going out. So that's the only way I would save this piece. The next item on my list is the hoodie. So the hoodie is that sweatshirt that has that hood on it for some reason. This is an item that's never gonna dress you up. It's always gonna make you look kind of messy and casual. If you love the feel of it, I get it. Try doing a sweatshirt instead that doesn't have the hood. Maybe you can style that back to a cool pair of like leather trousers with a cool sneaker. That's more acceptable, but the hoodie for me, I'm guilty. I definitely have owned this, and I kind of regret some of the outfits I put together with the one hoodie I did own. Even though it was a designer hoodie, I just feel like looking back on it, it just made me look kind of messy and sloppy. So this is an item I'm moving on from that I don't give to my clients. I just feel like there's so many better options to layer with, especially when you're talking outerwear pieces. That is the most important part of the outfit, and that is what can really elevate your look. So I would do more of a blazer, a really good cashmere sweater. Really, there's just so many other styling options besides a hoodie. Okay, this next item on my list is logos. So here's my thing. If you were going to spend the money on designer goods, why would you want to wear someone else's name plastered across your chest or on your handbags? Logos for me are just a cop-out for designers actually designing beautiful things. Because when you're shopping in luxury, you don't need to depend on a name to tell you it's beautiful. Beautiful things should speak for themselves. So please move away from buying things with tons of logos. And especially in the fashion world, the first thing we think when we see a logo is that you're wearing a knockoff or something that is not legit. So just don't do this. The only exception I make to this is if a brand has taken their logo and turned it into some kind of art. For example, actually the Fendi collection, they are notorious for taking their logo and turning it into a work of art on some of their bags and shoes. I think that that's actually pretty cool. So that's the only exception to that little rule. Okay, so the last item on my list is, it is the rubberized flip-flop. This is the worst styling mistake I still see people doing. I think after Britney Spears wore these at the gas station, for me, they were just done. This is just, the only reason I actually own these is because I need something to come back from getting a pedicure in, but other than that, there are so many chicer options to wear to the beach, to the pool. Currently, I know rubberized Birkenstocks have kind of really been a trending thing, which I think are 1,000 times better than this will ever be. Or even just a nice, like a nice leather sandal is okay, or a slide. But these, first of all, they're not good for you as far as like comfort and support. They're not good for driving, they're not good for walking, and they look really messy. So this, for me, is the item that really needs to go. Okay, you guys made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I will be back soon with another style topic video for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.